Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12s and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So let me enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we've been automatically brought back to the camera. Here we've got our evidence. The green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.